Are you really cut out to be a trader? Forget the hype, the Lambos, and the overnight success stories. Today, we are not just talking about what it takes to become a trader. We are going to break down what trading actually is, the good, the bad, and the ugly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what trading demands and whether you are truly suited for this path. Hello, welcome to Bamboo Trader channel. Let's get real for a second. What is trading really? Trading isn't just buying a low and selling high. It's a mental battlefield where you're constantly making decisions under pressure, risking your own money, and facing uncertainty every single day. The good? Trading can give you freedom of time, location, and even financial independence. You're your own boss. No one tells you when to work, how to work, or what to do. The potential for growth is unlimited, and the satisfaction of mastering the markets is like nothing else. But here's the flip side. Trading is lonely, it's stressful. You can go weeks, months, even years without seeing results. You'll question yourself, your strategy, sometimes your sanity. There are no guarantees, no salaries, and no safety net. Every mistake costs you real money, and the market doesn't care about your feelings. And the hardest part, trading will expose every weakness you have: lack of discipline, impatience, greed, fear. It's a game that rewards the few who can master themselves, not just the charts. So, what does it really take to become a trader? Here are the non-negotiable conditions. Number one, consistency and long-term mindset. You need to treat trading as a long-term investment in yourself. This isn't a get-rich-quick game. If you rush in a game that's built on patience, you are guaranteed to lose. You have to show up day after day, even when it feels like nothing is working. Consistency isn't interesting, but it's the only way to survive. Number two, financial freedom from a day job. You need a stable job, one that pays your bills and keeps your mind free from financial stress. Never quit your job to trade, especially in the beginning. Trading should be your second job until you've been consistently profitable for at least 2 years and can actually live off your trading income. If you come to the markets desperate for quick cash, you'll lose everything you have. Number three, a clear roadmap. You need a roadmap. Without one, you are just wandering in the dark. And that's exactly how you end up in the hands of scammers, fake traders, and signal sellers. Number four, discipline, attention to details, and focus. Trading isn't for the lazy or careless people. You need to be organized, disciplined, detail-oriented, and able to focus deeply for long periods. That means keeping a trading journal, reviewing your trades daily, and sometimes even changing your daily routine to fit the demands of the market. If you can't build habits, stick to them, and maintain focus, this game will eat you alive. Number five, willingness to keep learning and admitting when you're wrong. Here's something most people ignore. You have to be willing to keep learning, adapting, and most importantly, admitting when you're wrong. The market is always changing. If you're not open to new ideas or can't accept your mistakes, the market will humble you fast. Adapt or get left behind. Number six, understanding that trading is not gambling. Let's get one thing straight. Trading is not gambling. Every decision you make should be based on logic, data, and clear plan, not hope, adrenaline, or chasing losses. If you're here for the thrill, you're in the wrong place. So, let's recap the real conditions for becoming a trader. Patience and consistency, financial freedom from a day job, a clear roadmap to avoid scams and dead ends, discipline, attention to details, and the ability to focus, willingness to keep learning, adapting, and admitting when you are wrong. understanding that trading is not gambling. If you're missing any of these, trading will chew you up and spit you out. But if you're ready to invest yourself for the long haul, keep learning and treat trading as a skill, not a slot machine. You just might have what it takes. If you don't have these conditions, don't even think about getting into trading. And if you're already in the markets but still lack these essentials, you have two choices. Either start building these qualities right now or walk away, no matter how much time you've already invested. The market doesn't care about your excuses, and it definitely won't wait for you to catch up. If this video hit home, drop a like, share it with someone who needs to hear the truth, and let me know in the comments. Do you really have what it takes to be a trader? And as always, stay rooted, my friend.